Id-Deputat Prim Ministru Chris Fearn insista qatta bla ħabel li l-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat kellu dritt li jmur il-qorti biex jipprova jwaqqaf l-investigazzjoni dwar Grant milli ssir. Fearn kien qed jiġi intervistat mill-ġurnalist veteran Tim Sebastian fil-programm Conflict Zone tal-istazzjon Deutsche Welle.
The magistrate in Fallujah decided to launch an inquiry, didn't he? But the Prime Minister, along with 6 others, goes to court to try to shut down this inquiry
Yes, they have a
before
right
it starts.
to do in court. Yes,
If you wanted to get to the truth, why did the Prime Minister go along to shut down the very inquiry that would have delivered
this
the
is
truth?
something that needs
Why?
No, but this is something you see.
And you say you're open and transparent.
The Prime Minister hasn't shut down the inquiry. The Prime Minister has.
But he went along to ask for it
He
to
asked.
be shut
He
down.
asked in court because
Yes.
and he has a right to do that. Why not?
Why?
I mean, this is
Why
the way.
but if he wants to find the truth, why shut down the inquiry that might deliver it?
But you see, he hasn't shut it down. He has asked for.
He hasn't succeeded yet, but he asked
Well, he
to
might.
shut it down.
Yes, and he
That's
has a
not
right.
a Prime Minister
He
who
has
wants
a
to
right.
get to the truth, is it?
Has a right to go to court and defend himself in court.
Pressat, id-Deputat Prim Ministru baqa jiddefendi u jgħid li Muscat għandu dritt ma jħallix il-verità milli toħroġ.
Who shuts down a court hearing that would deliver the truth as
Nobody
Prime
does.
Minister?
He doesn't.
Well,
He doesn't.
That's
No,
what
he
he
hasn't.
challenged it. He wanted to do it. He
Well,
went to
he's
court to
asked
appeal
for-
against the hearing.
He's appealed. You see, you say that.
Yes,
You
which is a
confirm it.
challenge, isn't it? It's a
Well,
challenge.
Well, surely courts are allowed. You're allowed to appeal at the court. Surely you are. If you're not allowed to do that, then there's no rule of law.
Il-ġurnalist magħruf l-aktar għal meta kien jippreżenta l-programm Hard Talk fuq il-BBC pressa lil Chris Fearn ukoll dwar numru ta' suġġetti oħra. Fosthom ir-raġuni għaliex Muscat żamm miegħu lil Konrad Mizzi u Keith Schembri minkejja li nqabdu b'kumpaniji sigriti fil-Panama.
You had 2 people who, at least on the surface, should have resigned, but the Prime Minister kept them on. Close friends of his.
Well,
He
you
kept
see,
them
as we've said already, nobody is above the rule of law here in Malta. I mean,
Except for these
nobody.
2.
No, they're not. You see, again, you're wrong here.
Dwar il-qtil tal-ġurnalista Daphne Caruana Galizia, Chris Fearn kien mistoqsi dwar ir-raġuni għaliex xi ħadd ħass li kellu jelimina l-ħajja ta' Caruana Galizia.
One of your number decided it had to stop. Someone on this island decided it had to
stop. This is a very
stop.
unfair allegation, and I'm surprised that you're doing this. Well, you're saying
someone on this
you're saying that the
island-
politician.
No, I'm not
killed
saying-
her?
I said
No,
politicians and
this is extremely
business
unfair
leaders.
of you, Mr. It's
I said
extremely
politicians
unfair
and
of you to-
businesses. Someone
It is very unfair
decided
of you to say
it
this.
had to stop,
This is
didn't
really,
it?
there are 3 people who are arraigned in court. In any country where there is the rule of law, you wait for the court to give you the decision, and this is what you're going to do.
Dwar l-istess każ, Fearn kien pressat biex jgħid jekk il-gvern hux se jqis il-każ solvut sempliċement għax ġew arrestati 3 persuni.
Even
go
if
on.
these 3 were convicted, you're not going to tell me that this was the
So you think
entire...
this is it's
entire
not a
story.
significant development?
I didn't say it wasn't significant.
Well, it's a very significant.
But it's not the whole
absolutely,
story,
you
is
see?
it? You're not going to
Oh,
claim to
no,
me it's the whole
absolutely no.
story.
No, absolutely, it isn't.
That you've cracked the crime, you've solved the crime.
In this case.
Yeah. Is
Well,
this
let's
what you're
wait and
telling me?
see. Let's wait and see what the courts come up with. Let's wait and see.
Id-Deputat Prim Ministru kien mistoqsi wkoll dwar il-mod kif pajjiżna għodos l-isfel fl-indiċi ta' Transparency International u dwar l-intina fil-kuntratti li l-Gvern iffirma ma' Vitals Global Healthcare, suġġetti li dwarhom id-Deputat Prim Ministru iddefenda lill-Gvern. Bil-ġurnalist Tim Sebastian jalaq il-programm b'dan il-kumment.
This is the permissive atmosphere in which you get killings of journalists,
you're
isn't
being
it?
very